Alright, we start off by alcoholing the surface, prepping it up, getting it real clean. Pay attention to this middle of the grill. That piece has to be cut out. I'm going to show you at the end of the video, stay tuned. So you're going to use rubbing alcohol and rub the surface area because you don't want no dirt and debris stuck up under the wrap. Start from the left to your right. Use magnets to keep the paper in place. Half like that because you can cut out the front. You can get the front and back bump on most cars. That's 30 inches by like 125 inches. Alright, start by tacking down one side while sliding, putting the wrap in through the other side. It's 50 degrees, so I have to heat the paper before I get started. You're gonna need an infrared heater. Just work your way through. Don't rush it. Make sure you heat up like the middle first, then move around. Then heat up that part, then stretch it. Like, don't be in a rush. And also, when you lay in the paper, make sure you covering the bottom too. Don't just be working left and right, then you look up and the bottom of the wrap is not touching the bottom of the car. Here I had a stubborn piece of vinyl or wrap. It was stuck right here, so what I did was I put a hole in the fog light position, and I was able to lift the wrap up and heat it and shrink it back to the edge, leaving a nice finish. Here I get my heat glove to protect myself from the heat gun. Just gonna work my way around the bumper. It's very tedious, so take your time. Here I'm using the hard card with a drop buffer. As I say, I'm wrapping around.
When we could be superstars, we've been round the wrecking car. What is at stake for us? Kicking up Panoramic. Yeah, we could be superstars. So the pressure time is up. So we fell off the spinning tops. Don't know, maybe control. Break my heart.
Alright, this gonna wrap the video. Stick around for part 2. We're gonna cut out that grill piece and insert the grill and install the new grill that you ordered off Amazon. This aftermarket part 2 on the way. Alright, on this car wrap, we had to order a new grill. We had to order a new front bumper. I'm going to link the description, link the parts in the description. First, we start off by removing the front bumper. And now we're trying to fit the grill, make sure it fits in the right spot. The plastic piece in the middle, I referred to earlier in the video, you have to use like a saw piece, like a hand saw, to cut it out, so that way the grill can go in. I put some masking tape right here to keep him from scratching up the wrap. Right now he just kind of sawing it away, sawing it off. Being cautious, take your time. Finish that side, now put some more masking tape on this side. Start cutting it off. Yeah, so I put some, my edge seal tape on there to keep it from coming up, just being cautious. We fitting in the grill, making sure it goes in. Now it fits in. Whew. That's a beauty. Sure. Just take care of it like it cost $5,000. Car cover shorty. I don't know what you're looking for. I got you. I got them right here. What do you see?